So good traders, I took my first trade wrong side, and let's see what we get. My target is that 23,350. So let's see. I just took a first candle high, and here first candle opening candles high is trying to breach. Premium is not rising, so let's hope our ambush entry give us in our favor. Wait for a little bit. So here in the first candle high in 1 minute, it's breakout. But in premium, it is not has that much momentum. It is consolidation. So possible that a little bit pullback hit our stop loss. So I put strict stop loss. But about this green level, my view is bullish. We have also pivot now, and it is in oversold zone. So maybe it's a mean reversal till this 20-day moving average, 23,363, and almost my target is here. This yellow color uh, marker support, which is now a resistance. So previous swing low last day, it's my first target. Let's see how far it is goes in our favor. What about in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty again, see this our key support is respect, and right now it is on 3 minutes. So I go in 1 minute. Here we have one problem, like a round number plus monthly pivot. So here the first target is by opening our first target, just almost 230 point. So a little bit at break even. Let's see this moving average is create problem for us or not. 800 right now profit running. I am thinking that this price go at least till CPR, today's CPR, which is generally the structure, like indicators one setup. So that's why I also took here long. Gap down is trying to fill the gap, and here I have support, so I bought here. So there are multiple reasons to have this trade. So that's why I punch on first candle. Now just leave to market. Either it give us profit or give us loss. So I will keep you posted. Okay, so good morning traders. I here book my trade 17,000, 4,000 profit, and here it is my order book at 9:15. Just at opening and day support. So I buy and 9:15:56. Then I average out till then. I get again a pullback. Then I again average out and exit 237. So just let's see how much point we book. Although it is goes till 60, but after once good profit, it give pullback. In second attempt when it's crossed this, then I book so 237 somewhere here. So I book almost 46 points. Okay, and my target is 60 points. Although on spot chart, just in morning, I decide that this much is my target, which is like a 123 point. But after just the first candle high, I entered, but it's not just moving in a premium. It's slow and steadily it go, but the premium is not increasing as much as I expected. So here you can see this is my premium chart. So for like this much gap down opening, this 46 point is a good catch. Bank Nifty just I at 1 minute. See here it is form Harami type candle. First candle low and pivot. So here I can see reversal. So at this level someone can buy, or at the first candle high if they after this consolidation or this trend line breakout buy. So here multiple cluster of support. So first target is obviously this previous swing high or just a monthly pivot and the round number. So it go till there and then slightly pull back, and after that it again goes like a upward. Now here it is a consolidation right now below above round number, or just this trend line and maybe previous swing can be a hurdle. Till then the 20-day moving average come to here. Now this may be pushed to go down, or maybe if the buyers participate strongly, then it goes till this CPR zone. In Nifty also, just a minute, also it goes till CPR zone. Okay, right now previously low and pivot. My first target is this trend line and this previous support. Now it is may act as resistance. Here it is may act as same low as resistance, and both now change their trend from here. Okay, so I don't know now more, because now I'm not going to trade second. I already add much quantity in it. Now 60 plus points we are getting in this trade. My ultimate target is 80 point. If in 123 point move, I expect a little bit less. But the gamma blast is not sustaining much. It's not give a desired momentum in premium. So that's it for today. Here it is again my order book, and I have not opened any trade. This and the fund we use here 72,000 almost. So I add to fund to 55 sorry 45 to buy 3 lot, and then I add to 2 times to get average out the trade, because I have an opportunity to I am thinking that this trade can be goes in my favor, and maybe I have opportunity to cash in. So better to see opportunity and have add fund and trade on limited calculated risk. Here whenever it is going like in my against, so I have here opportunity to add the loss. The risk is very less, but what comparatively the reward is more. So I took risk and I cash it. So that's it for today. See you tomorrow.